Sir, my screen says will be visible.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you
Okay.
can start there.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. L. Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Vels University, Pallavaram. Today we are going to discuss about healthcare transformation with AI applications. First of all, you know that AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare by improving diagnosis, treatment, patient care, hospital operations, and medical research. AI technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and predict analytics are helping healthcare providers deliver more accurate, efficient, and personalized care.
Sir, your
So
screen is
AI
not
is
visible.
transforming healthcare to more than one disease we can reduce or predict for
Yes,
future. So it is known as AI in healthcare.
sir.
So providers deliver accuracy, efficiency, and personalized care efficiency. Number one, medical diagnosis and disease detection. AI can analyze medical data, images, and patient records to detect diseases earlier and more accurately. So there are more than one applications is there. Detections of cancer from X-rays, CT scans, and MRI scans. Identification of diabetic retinopathy from
Sir,
retinal images.
sir, am
Early
I audible, sir?
diagnosis of neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Automated analysis of pathology slides. So there are three benefits of medical diagnosis and disease detection. Faster diagnosis, reduced human error, improved clinical outcomes. So it is a main measure of the medical diagnosis and disease detection in AI healthcare. Predictive analysis and preventive care. So AI can predict disease, risky and identify patients who may require intervention before complications occur. So there are various applications involved in the predictive analytics and the preventive care. Number one, predicting hospital readiness, forecasting disease outbreaks, identifying high-risk patients for chronic diseases, monitoring population health trends. So there are the three types of benefits involved in the predictive analytics and the preventive care in AI healthcare. Early intervention to prevent the diagnosis in the early time, reduce the healthcare cost, and third thing, improved preventive care. Third thing is a very important one, image processing. In the involved in the main measure of the healthcare, medical imaging and computer vision. AI-powered image analysis supports radiologists and clinicians. Applications. So there are various applications in the medical imaging and computer vision. Automated interpretation of X-rays and CT scan. Tumor reduction. It's a very important one is a tumor reduction. Nowadays, more than one people occurring in around India as well as world, the tumor reduction. It's a very major task of the healthcare. And then cardiac imaging analysis is very another one important thing occurring start from 7 to 8 years old man occurring the cardiac problem, cardiac attack, and then fracture identification. So there are three benefits involved in the medical imaging and computer vision. Number one is improved diagnosis accuracy. Number second thing, faster image processing. Number three, increased productivity for radiologists. So medical imaging is a vast area of healthcare. Identification the cardiac, identification of the image in the humor, and then identification of the fractions in the human body. So fourth important one is remote patient monitoring. So artificial intelligence enabled wearable devices continuously track patient health. For example, nowadays there are wearable device. For example, QR code is nothing but QR code, as well as animals given one monitoring device is nothing but wearable device. So there are various applications in the remote patient monitoring, heart rate monitoring, blood glucose tracking system, sleep analysis system, detection of abnormal health events. And there are three benefits of remote patient monitoring system. Number one, improved chronic disease management. Number two, reduce hospital visits. And third thing, real-time healthcare interventions. So there are three important remote patients monitoring. So a very important remote monitoring patient monitoring system is reduce the hospital visit. So nowadays we are appointing more than one supervisor to monitoring the servers. So to reduce the hospital visit through the remote patient monitoring system. And fifth one, robotic surgery. Nowadays, human being to surgeries the various operations involved in the last 75 years, 50 years. Now, only one robotic surgery within 5 minutes or 10 minutes is successfully completed any type of operations. So AI enhances surgical precision and decision making. AI applications in robotic surgery. So minimally invasive procedures, so surgical navigation system, real-time tissue recognition, surgical training simulations, and then various benefits involved in the robotic surgery. So greater precision, faster recovery, and reduced surgical complications. So there are more than complications involved in the various field of surgery. Nowadays, robotic surgery is minimizing the surgical complications. So it is one of the major implications of robotic surgery in the world. And sixth one, hospital operation and administration. So AI improves efficiency across healthcare organizations. So various applications involved in the healthcare system in hospital, automated medical documentation. We are preparing the medical documentation. For example, how many patients are surgery in the last 3 months, how many outpatients that treated to our hospital, to prepare the documentation automatically. So there is minimize the human resource, and then resource allocation, staff scheduling, review cycle management. Staff scheduling is one of the best example. We can allocate the time given to work one person in the particular place. So allocating it automatically, staff scheduling. Nowadays, we are following the many field, but the healthcare field is a very important thing. Is staff scheduling management is very necessary and important one. And benefits of hospital operations and administration. So there are three benefits involved in hospital operations. One is reduce operational cost. Number two, increase efficiency. Number three, better utilization of resources. So efficiency levels very high in the hospital operations and administration in the healthcare system. Nowadays, so there are 100% efficiency in the AI through the healthcare. And the reduced operations cost also. Operations cost means
Sir,
to appointing the various
sir, am I audible, sir?
supervisors and the working employees and non-working employees involved in the healthcare management system to reduce operationals. Automatically, we are doing the all the things, all the works. So automatically reduce or minimally cost as well as efficiency. See, very important one of healthcare system, hospital operations and administration level. Now, statistical analytic framework. Before AI, artificial intelligence, after artificial intelligence in healthcare monitoring system. So there are various prediction system involved in the chart. Number one, diagnosis accuracy. Before artificial intelligence, 75%. After AI involved in the healthcare, 94%. So improve the percentage of the accuracy 20.5, so increasing level. And early disease detection, previous artificial intelligence level of 65, after AI 89%, and improvement is before AI and after AI is 36.9%. Treatment success rate, before AI 72%, after AI 90% of improve the treatment success rate, and improve the after and before AI involved in the healthcare 25%. And patient satisfaction, satisfaction of the patient's level of treatment, before AI 70%, after AI 88%. The difference between before AI and after AI involved in the healthcare monitoring system AI is 25.7%. So hospital efficiency, before AI 68%, after AI 92%. Difference between before AI and after AI percentage of improving the statistical analysis 35.3%. Administrative level, before AI 50%, after AI 85%. Overall, before AI and after AI, to comparatively 70% of accuracy level administration in the point of view 70% improved in the overall performance. So the following accuracy levels are increased by nowadays to involve the all the sectors in artificial intelligence role, particularly in the role of healthcare system to improve the accuracy level high. Artificial intelligence impact on healthcare. So what are the field involved in the artificial intelligence in healthcare system means data management. So what are the data we have followed or maintaining the operational level? The is the efficiency level of data management high. And second thing, artificial intelligence powered diagnosis. It's very impact and advantages of AI healthcare diagnosis is very high. And third thing, personalized treatment. So individual person to occurring the one disease to improve the artificial intelligence involved in the healthcare, performing level is very high. That means personalized treatments is very satisfaction. 90% of patients very satisfied. And fourth one, AI in medicine. We are manufacturing medicine. For example, tablets, injections, manually. Nowadays, artificial intelligence involved in the medicine sector is very costly and very accuracy level of molecules is a very important thing. And then precision medicine. And it's very next very important one is drug discovery. Drug discovery is a major role of healthcare to impact in artificial intelligence. And then remote monitoring, robotic surgeries. Nowadays, 90% of surgery, not only foreign foreign countries, in our India, more than one states are involved in the robotic surgeries to involve in the artificial intelligence role as well as robotics role. And then automation, so any type of work doing automation, everything automatically produced, automatically running, involved in the artificial intelligence in the healthcare also. And then predictive analytics. So, what is the need of the patient? What is the need of the hospital management? What is the need of the society? As well as what is the need of the country? All those things recover in the particular time period. It's a very important thing, predictive analytics. So, these are all AI impact on healthcare monitoring system. So, there are more than 10 sectors healthcare monitoring system, artificial intelligence to involve in the major role. So, what are the futures of AI in healthcare system? The future healthcare ecosystem will increasingly rely on AI-assisted diagnosis, smart hospitals, precision medicines, digital twins for patients, advanced robotic surgery, continuous remote monitoring, and AI-driven drug discovery. So these are future of AI in healthcare to increase accuracy level or next level. So there are fundamental components of artificial intelligence in healthcare. So there are major components involved in the artificial intelligence in healthcare system. Number one, data collection. So artificial intelligence system requires large amounts of healthcare data from various sources. So collect from various sources. Example, electronic health records, EHRS, electronic health records. And second one is medical imaging, X-rays, CT scan and MRI scan. And third thing, laboratory reports. And fourth one, wearable devices and sensors. And fifth one, genomic data. And sixth one, patient monitoring systems. So these six things are data sources as are collected from different sources. So it is a fundamental components of artificial intelligence in the healthcare. So data collection is a primary and important one component. And second thing, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing or processing and integration. So data pre-processing means to recover the data in a sense are inconsistent data to cleaning the data. To cleaning the data, it is a under the data pre-processing. So activities, there are four activities involved in the data pre-processing. Number one, data cleaning. Number two, data normalization. Number three, data integration. Number four, data storage. Number one, data cleaning. So what is cleaning? Anybody? What do you mean by cleaning? Data cleaning? Any idea about the data cleaning?
Sir? Sir, are you
Data
presenting the screen,
cleaning?
sir?
Yes.
Sir, are you presenting the screen, sir?
Yes.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Sir?
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
Okay, okay. Wait, wait. Sir, now visible?
Sir, no, sir, it is not visible, sir.
Now visible, sir?
Sir, no, sir, it is not visible, sir.
Sir, now visible?
Sir, no, sir. Ah, yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
Okay, okay. So, fundamental components of AI in healthcare. Fundamental components of AI in healthcare. It's a very important thing, data collection. So there are various sources we are collecting from data. Number one, electronic health records. Number two, medical imaging. For example, X-ray, CT scan, and MRI scan. And third thing, laboratory reports. And fourth one, wearable devices and sensors. We are collecting from sensor mode and genomic data, and fifth one, patient monitoring systems. So these are all data sources. And second thing, data processing and integration. So data processing. So what do you mean by data processing? So what are the stages are involved in the data processing? Number one, data cleaning. Number two, data normalization. Number three, data integration. Number four, data storage. So very important thing, data cleaning. So what do you mean by data cleaning? Any idea about data cleaning? Anybody? Anybody else? What do you mean by data cleaning? So there are various sources involved in the data collection in the society. So we are getting data. So data is accuracy or not accuracy. Not accuracy in the data. So now we are doing something in the data. So you see nothing but data pre-processing. So there are four stages in the data pre-processing. Number one is data cleaning. Number two is normalization. Number three, integration. Number four, storage. So data cleaning is a primary data pre-processing techniques. So what do you mean by data cleaning? Any idea about data cleaning? Okay. So data cleaning is to remove inconsistent data, noisy data, or outlier data. To remove, inconsistent data, noisy data, or outlier data. For example, we collected patient data to sensor records. Okay, so there are some error in the data. How to occur? How to occur in the error? It's a human error. How to remove the error? How to remove the error? How to remove the error? Yes, we are doing data pre-processing. Data pre-processing. So, data pre-processing techniques, we are doing the particular data to do something. Something means data cleaning, data normalization, integration, and storage. To provide data pre-processing techniques in the particular data to get quality of data. That is data pre-processing. It is a second stage of data processing. That means importance of data pre-processing techniques, data cleaning, and normalization, data integration. We are doing cleaning the data more than one modules to integrate the modules to improve the quality level. So it is known as data integration. And fourth one, data storage. To improve the data level or quality of data to getting the source of data, store the particular place safely, privacy and security. It is known as data storage. It is a second stage of data processing. And third thing, machine learning techniques. So machine learning enables systems to learn from healthcare data and improve performance without explicit programming. To learn from healthcare data and improve performance without explicit programming. So, you know, machine learning techniques. So there are three types of machine learning types is there. supervisor learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learnings there. To do the three types of machine learning techniques to apply the particular data to improve the performance of the data. So what are the applications involved in the machine learning techniques or algorithm? So disease prediction, risk assessment, and third thing, treatment recommendations. So there are three types of applications involved in the machine learning algorithms. And fourth one, natural language processing, NLP, natural language processing. So NLP allows computers to understand and process human language. NLP allows computers to understand and process human language. So what are the human language involved in the particular field or particular process means? What do you know the human language to recommend, to train for the particular machine or computer to allow the particular language. It is known as natural language processing. So there are three types of applications in NLP: clinical documentation, medical transcription, patient communication. So clinical documentation to do involve in the computer language to understand the human language, improve the performance or clinical documentation automatically prepare the documentation. And second thing, medical transcription. So medical transcription, what are the needs to involve in the particular hospital or particular medical? What are the medicines needed? Preparing the documentation. So automatically. So it is known as natural language processing. And third thing, patient communication. What do you know patient knowledge for the doctors to patients? What is the opinion for the patients to understanding the patient to doctor? So communication level to increase automatically. It is known as patient communication. And benefits of the natural language processing means there are two major things: reduce paperwork. So automatically we do all the documentation work. There is no paper usage. And second one is improved information retrieval. To recover the previously information, to automatically recover or predict the information in the database. For example, last 10 years record in the database. For example, 2021 record I know in the particular database. Okay, I find out the 2021 patient records in the particular hospital. It's very simple. Improved information retrieval is very simple. Easily to identify the particular patient's detail in the particular stored information or stored database management. So it is a natural language processing involved in the healthcare monitoring system. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any queries?
Participants, if you have any queries, you may ask now.
Hello?
Participants, if you have any queries, you may ask now.
Participants, any queries?
Sir, shall we conclude the session, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the participation, and all the participants. Thank you once again. Shall we meet in the next session tomorrow? Thank you.
Thank
You,
you,
sir.
thank you, sir. Thank you.